Alright guys, so we have it turned on to the on position, and you can see it lit up here. We're going to change the mode. So two different brightnesses, as you can see, big difference of brightness. So that's low and that's on high. And right now we have it on, we're going to turn it on to the auto. Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are reviewing AUVON's Nightlight. So let's get unboxing. So nightlights are great for many things. They're great if you have kids. They're great if you have toddlers or teens. They're also great for adults because it's not good. Let's say you have to get up in the middle of the night to go to the bathroom. It's not good to turn on bright lights because that oftentimes can keep you from falling back asleep. So these will help you by giving you light so you don't have to turn any lights on. Plus they'll save money because they use less electric than most light bulbs. In fact, this uses 0.3 watts. So 0.3 watts. These are motion sensor, or you can have it on or manually off. You have different brightness right here, different modes. Off, on, and auto. So auto means it would automatically turn on and off. This is really nice, guys. I love these little guys. These are really cool. Wow. I was expecting them to be bigger, which I'm glad they're smaller. They're more compact. See you guys up close. Look at them, guys. There's your buttons and everything up top. It is a two-prong. Let's go ahead and plug one in and show you guys what it's going to look like. Alright guys, so we have it turned on to the on position, and you can see it lit up here. We're going to change the mode. So two different brightnesses, as you can see, big difference of brightness. So that's low and that's on high. And right now we have it on, we're going to turn it on to the auto. I don't know if it's dark enough for it to pick us up. Yeah, oh there it goes. So yeah, it can pick up your motion and it will auto go off. Now it could see me moving over here, so I'm not sure if it's going to go off or not. But that is nice, and that's bright as well. I mean, this room is dark, and look how it's lighting everything up. So these are going to work great, absolutely perfect. And if it's too bright, you can simply press the button, have it a lot dimmer. So yeah, it's staying on because I'm still here. But overall, very nice. I'm happy with them. They look great as well. We're going over here, and inside there's also a manual. So I'm going to find out just for you guys how long the light stays on before it goes off. Okay, so it lasts about 60 seconds. So every time it picks up motion, it kind of resets that 60-second mark. But if you go past it and then 60 seconds pass by and it doesn't pick up any motion, it will then automatically go off until it picks up motion again. So that's nice that it doesn't go off right away. I can't stand the ones that go off in like 10 seconds because, well, what if you are going to the bathroom and you want the light still on? 60 seconds is great, plus it could pick up your movement. Overall, I'm very happy with these. I mean, for the fact that there's two color modes, I mean, this is really nice, guys. Like, I'm serious. I'm going to, right now we have square ones that take 5 watts. We're going to replace them, save money, have a brighter light. Overall, I'm just very, very happy. And trust me, that nobody told me to say that. I actually do love these a lot. Like, I'm very impressed with these. So, you know, I like stuff that's compact. Some people might not like how small it is, but I definitely like them.